This is our 3D printer, Creality. This is used for building custom parts and prototypes. Our robot dog is an advanced AI companion designed for both entertainment and exploration of AI behaviors in robotics.
This AI kit equips students with tools to explore machine learning, mission recognition, and AI algorithms.
This is a laser engraver made by Creality. It is used for etch and cut materials by precision and custom details.
Our collection of fixed kits. Students can build mechanical models, learn about gears, levers, and basic engineering concepts.
This is our 9DOS humanoid robot, designed for human-robot interaction and AI experience. It can mimic human movement and is a crucial part of our robotics system.
Curriculum robotics allows us to teach young learners the basics of robotics, coding, and AI. It's a simple, powerful tool for hands-on learning.
This is our DIY drone kit. It is used for easy assemblance and virtually unbreakable. It is used for different purposes.
We also integrate virtual